What if all insects vanished? Imagine a world without buzzing bees, fluttering butterflies, or crawling ants. What if all insects vanished overnight? Stay tuned to explore how this astonishing scenario could change our planet forever. Welcome to my channel, your go-to channel for diving into the most fascinating what-if scenarios. Today, we're exploring the incredible impact of a world without insects. Ready to discover the hidden threads that hold our ecosystem together? Let's dive in. Section 1. Agricultural collapse. First, let's talk about agriculture. Insects play a crucial role in pollinating crops. Without them, many fruits, vegetables, and nuts would become scarce or disappear. How would we manage food production, and what new technologies might we need to survive? Section 2. Ecosystem imbalance. Next, consider the ecosystem. Insects are a vital part of the food chain. Birds, reptiles, amphibians, and many mammals rely on insects for food. Without them, these animals would struggle to survive, causing a ripple effect through the entire ecosystem. What species might go extinct? Section 3. Soil health and decomposition. Insects like beetles and earthworms are essential for breaking down organic matter and enriching the soil. Without them, soil quality would degrade, affecting plant growth and agriculture. How would we maintain soil health and fertility without these tiny workers? Section 4. Medical and scientific impact. Insects contribute to medicine and science in surprising ways. From the production of silk and dyes to biomedical research, their absence would halt many advancements. What innovative substitutes would we need to develop? Section 5. Economic consequences. The economy would face significant challenges. The agricultural sector, food industries, and even pharmaceuticals would be hit hard. How would global markets adapt to the sudden disappearance of insects, and what new industries might emerge? Section 6. Human adaptation. Humans are resourceful. How might we adapt to this drastic change? From creating synthetic pollinators to altering our diets, this section explores the potential innovations and lifestyle changes needed to cope with an insect-free world. Section 7. Environmental restoration efforts. Could we bring insects back? Discussing potential restoration efforts, this section explores scientific approaches to reintroduce or replace insects in our ecosystem. What cutting-edge techniques could we use to restore balance? Section 8. Philosophical and ethical questions. Lastly, let's ponder the philosophical and ethical implications. What does the disappearance of insects teach us about our relationship with nature? How would our values and priorities shift in response to such a profound change? Conclusion. The vanishing of all insects would trigger a cascade of changes, affecting every aspect of life on Earth. It's a stark reminder of the delicate balance within our ecosystem. If you enjoyed this thought-provoking exploration, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more intriguing content. See you in the next video.